It's Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let people know what's going on currently, early October here. As I said, we've closed off all our gaps for the uh, executing trades from capturing real-time market data using IQ feed, and then being able to run it through some kind of algorithm or strategy or some set of trading rules, and at the same time be able to have some kind of response, be able to basically generate a market order through Interactive Brokers TWS client software. So we've got all that now in place. So I've been doing some further analysis on other software, namely in the world of charting. Because I've spent so much time, I'd say even a couple of weeks and a couple of even months, just fooling around with trying to just get to the point of being able to do a minimum trade through interactive brokers and whatnot. I've decided to not so much focus on coding. Coding is important. Yes, you do want it faster and so on and so forth. But when you focus on things like that, there's other things that come at cost. And with the primary one at cost that I'm talking about is unfortunately time and ease of use and documentation. So what I'm planning to do is I put up a couple of videos in the past on my YouTube channel regarding charting, stock screeners, and some other cool stuff like portfolio and just getting a good overview market view of what the market's doing at a particular time using something like IQ Feed. It's very powerful software. Now, I'm not going to mention the software, it's up on YouTube, but I will tell you a lot of it's done in Excel. Now, sometimes I know I have members in my community, in the quantlabs.net premium membership, that are real hardcore coders, but I'd say the majority are not. As a result, it's easier for me to focus on technologies where it's not so much coding. And this product I'm talking about is based around VBA and Excel. And pretty well anyone can pick up the knowledge in VBA and Excel, just basic Excel spreadsheets. It's easy to learn and implement any changes using this software package. And also the cool thing about it is that if, let's say I work with IQ Feeds today, as data, as a source of data, and then I want to switch over to something like an interactive brokers, which is pretty well going to be my primary broker in the near future. To make that switch over is going to be pretty, it's a non-issue because this package will shield you from that transition, which is a big deal, and it's going to save me a lot of time. This is one of the reasons why I'm going to use this product. It says easy to use and it works. There's a huge amount of functionality that comes out of box with this piece of software. Now, the other big thing is that people come back and say, well, it's not going to be fast enough. It's not going to be this. It's not going to be that. And yeah, you're right. But that's not going to be part of my core trading functionality. Meaning, even if it's a little slower than usual, that's okay because a lot of the charting I'm planning to do is just going to be for monitoring uses. It's not going to be for actual uh, real time in such an essence where I need to worry about it at a microsecond level. So for now, that's what I'm planning to go with. Get this product up and running. As I said, I've got demos of it. I've already put up on my YouTube channel, and the thing works great. I just need to upgrade my Microsoft Excel or Office suite to the current version as well before that happens. So I'm planning to get all that implemented over the next couple of weeks, and then I don't need to kill myself in building, charting, and all this stuff from nearly ground zero. If I did was to choose something like I don't know, Dev Express or one of the other ones that I was looking at in the Java world, which by the way is out of date and no longer works. So I just don't want to have to hack that to get that working when I already have something that I could just buy today and get running within 10, 15 minutes, and at the same time have paid support to get it running to help me get it to that point, which is another big advantage. So that's what I'm planning to do, and I'm going to put that as part of my so-called trading system. And now I can pretty well focus purely on strategies because everything else I have in place, and that's going to be, of course, in MATLAB, .NET, and just implementing whatever trading strategy I come up with, or research or find, or maybe somebody provides. Who knows? But that's the plan of action over the next couple of weeks. Just want to let you know on that because it's kind of important when you make these type of decisions. You take the high road, the low road, meaning do you go out and recode and build from scratch, or do you use something else that is out there that already exists, and for a small amount of money you get a lot of impact with it. And that's what I'm planning to do, is to buy something and just play with it and see where it goes instead of having to develop it from scratch, and at the same time making it a lot easier for my membership as well. So wish me luck on that, and I'll talk to you soon. So now you know where I'm going on the charting side of stuff. Talk to you later.